guys, so we're back today. As usual, I've already done my eyebrows, foundation. I didn't apply any setting powder because, as I have experience, when I apply my setting powder, it's really hard for me to blend my contour out later, so I'm going to be doing that after I have applied my whole contour and highlight and everything. But today I use different foundation. I usually use my Becca. I use the Maybelline Dewy Fit Me foundation. I don't remember the color. It's in my bathroom. I'm not going to go get it right now. And then my eyebrows also, they are the NYX eyebrows. I've been using Anastasia, but today I switched it up because my hair is darker. I dyed it and it just came out horrible. I was just so upset. I intended to go purple, but it came out like black. Okay, so for majority of this look, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette, but I do think I might switch it up just for a couple of hints of color that I want to get that might not be in here, but I haven't decided 100% yet. But let's go in for the eyeshadow. I'm going to scoot you in. Okay, so I'm actually trying out this new repositioning of my camera, so hopefully this works a little bit better. For my first color, I'm just going to set it with a light eyeshadow. I'm going to use this white chocolate eyeshadow right here. Just blend out any creases. And I like to really pack the eyeshadow in there to really set it. Now we're going to go in for that triple fudge color. And we're just going to pack this into our eyelid. Now we're going to take this milk chocolate color. We're going to take that milk chocolate color and we're going to start to blend it out with this fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with this color. And I'm just going to focus this mainly in the crease area. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with that first color. Alright, and just to add a little bit more warmth to it, I'm going to go in with this salted caramel. Now I'm just going to go in and make sure all my colors are just blended. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and do my eyeliner real quick and I'll be right back. Now we're going to go in for mascara. And after we do the mascara, I'm going to put on my lashes. And for the lashes, I'm going to use these ones. These are the last one on the set. They're Ardell Faux Mink 811 lashes. I'm so upset right now. I'm really upset right now. Oh my. These lashes are amazing. BTW, like, I love these lashes. It was the last pair. Wow. I don't know what to do right now. Those were perfect. I'm gonna go for the Eyler X and Lee, I guess. So let's try to pop these on. While we're waiting for that to dry, we're going to apply our concealer. Ooh, boy, too much. Too much. Damn it. Oh, guys, I put a lot. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I hope it blends out alright. Okay, I'm gonna remove some of the product off of the brush. Went a little ham on accident. Now I'm going to apply my lashes, and then I'm going to set all of my foundation and highlight. Let's go on to setting my whole foundation. Just setting everything, okay? Now let's go in for contouring, and we're going to use my favorite, of course, the Kat Von D Shade to Light. I'm going to go in with this Hoola bronzer just to make everything look way nice and bronzed. Now we're going to go in with my MAC highlighter. We're just going to pack this on, literally. We are blinding bitches today. Alright? We blinded them. Now we're gonna go in for the bottom eyelashes. We're gonna put some eyeshadow, and then we're gonna apply some mascara. Okay, to give my eyes a little bit more of a pop, I'm gonna apply some white eyeliner into my eye. Now we're gonna go for our lips. So I'm gonna take the same white eyeliner, and I'm gonna draw just a line, white straight line down the middle of it. I'm gonna apply the lipstick on the top of my lips like I usually would. Now for the bottom, we're going to try to make this line in the middle, so it's easier to show you than to explain. Like that. Now I'm just going to go clean them up a little bit, fix this line, make it more even, and also make my lips look a little bit better, so I'll be right back. Okay, now, like I said, it's supposed to be festival inspired, right? Right. So I'm going to take that white eyeliner, whatever it is, and I'm gonna just decorate my face with it. Oh shit. Alright guys, I think that just about completes my festival makeup tutorial. So, until next time.